Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Locust and today we are going to discussing about Locust classes. Like Locust classes are presented user class, HTTP user and task set, a sequential task set, HTTP session, a response context, a manager, an environment, a runner, a web API. This is all about the classes are presented and each class we can how we can able to use a Locust and how we can able to achieve our goal. These are all the things we are going to discussing in this video, and we are going to pick in this particular place a user class. In this user class, how it is helpful for in the locals to using this one. Okay, F- for user class is basically a class represent one user. Like whenever you want to load a particular URL, that time we are opening for one dashboard, correct? And that dashboard, how many users we need to use it. For that we are going to using for user class. In this class it will say that showing that to increase the member for counting for each time simulating like loading capacity. It will support for commonly in this user class abstract, true, on start, on stop, task, await, wait time, await. These are all the things it will support. How we can able to this, we can able to use this those methods and we can able to implement. Okay, and my previous video I explained like a sample program, right? We are going to there only. In this sample program only we are going to use the code, similar code only. I'm using for new file, that is Python file, user class. Okay, in this user class I'm just copy pasting this code. Okay, and meanwhile I'll do for using pass method is nothing but what will happen without interrupting any code. Like you're doing something and something like it is going to fail, you feel without fail you want to pass your code, then you can able to use the pass it without failing anything. It will initiate and it will pass it more every time without showing any error things. Okay, then we can able to use another set of thing is like task one. I use the task, right? Here the wait is nothing but to giving the two methods concurrent one to waiting purpose. Okay, and at present I'm removing this one because our main goal is one by one to see the steps, right? For this task and self method. Okay, now these things are presented. Now I'll create one more method here. This is a post method. I can able to provide a post method. Then in the description also I'll change because to see the proper message into a console. You can able to use here get method. Okay, now I have these two things and I'm going to use for running for my Locust program. You can able to use the same command, but I can able to use for user class. Yes, it will hit it and we can able to open for Locust once it is started the server. Now server is started, you can able to come to here and you can able to use it here. Two users and start it. Once you start, you can able to see. We are not able to see which method is going on, right? But we are seeing very fast it is going. There are two methods, very fast it is going, correct? Now we can stop here now. because we need to see the proper set, it is whether it is going properly or not, which method it is going. To see this, we require for time. Each method execution time we require, right? For this now, await between 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, and there are two ways we can able to use for wait. One is constant wait is there, one is this between is there. Between means the time stamp in that each request how much time we need to wait, we can able to declare here. If you are declaring for constant means it will take for those value only one value, keep on it will take it the same value. Okay, anything you can able to use, but my side I'm going to use for between. I'll show you for the constant also coming sessions. Any one example place time we can, I will explain you for those things also. Okay, once you hit it again and it will start for the server, you can able to come to here, you can able to click for new set. Don't go for refresh and all. You can able to, if you are already open for Locust, then you can able to use for new set, and you can able to use for ramp up. Then you can able to open for PyCharm. You can able to see now it is executing by one step, right? This is a using for use of between option. Okay, and I just stopping here as well as both the places I'll stop, and here also. Okay, then we can able to use multiple classes to execute, means in case if you having that another class, now you can able to copy paste this one. Now if you are copy paste this one and use for method 1, post method 1, and remove for wait, and you can able to provide a myScript 1. Okay, new class type, you can able to say new class. Okay, there are two classes are presented, one is myScript 1 and script, both the places it is presented. Okay, one place it is having a wait and another place it is not presented for wait, and you can able to run for my Locust again. Okay, again it will open the server. You can able to see now the difference, the wait technique how it is working, right? That difference you can able to see now here. Can open for again new set, and I'm going to use for 2 ramp ups only. Once that is open, then you can able to see now again it is going very fast because we are not used for any wait here second class, but we used for here, correct? But it is not going the things well. For that we can able to use Control C now, Control C, and then we can able to use here, there is a weightage, wait to. If you are providing this, it will take time to wait one by one. The weightage it will gives you like first one by one execution, it will start for that classes. Okay, now you can able to see here, if I am doing, again I'm using for new class introduction. The wait is basically to, it will execute only the first class and second class also, but it is very fast and will not provide the proper timings, like it will not give the concurrent times. And we can able to use for, now you can able to provide two. Now you can see now it is waiting for more the things and it is going very slow. Both the cases it is executing one by one. slowness. Even you can able to use the time stamp and everything, it will go for comparing to previous, it is going more things. This weight is not presented. Okay. If you are providing the weight here also, it will go for one by one small section also. It will not take for more risky operation, and it will not take more, and it will go for one by one simple execution. Okay. Now you can able to start for Control C, and you can able to see everything. Okay. This is all about for user class usage, for how to use for weight and await and those things into our example. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.